Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Roku stuck on recovery mode. So, the first thing we can do is turn off your device. After that, for Roku Express, Streaming Stick, and Ultra, disconnect them from the TV. Next, unplug the power cord from the Roku device. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart Roku device. If the problem persists after the reboot, then factory reset is the last thing that you can do. To do this, we need find the Roku's reset button. This will be on the back or bottom of your device. The physical reset button is either tactile or a pinhole design that requires a straightened paperclip. It will appear similar to one of the following. Once you locate the reset button and your Roku device is powered on, press and hold the button firmly for about 10 seconds. When the factory reset is complete, an indicator light or status LED will blink rapidly on most Roku devices. After a successful factory reset, your Roku device will restart in the same state as a factory new device, and you won't have to face recovery mode anymore. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete setup for your Roku device. That's it guys, hope this useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.